Here we go, race number 3, Junior 2, Heat 2. 0H, Owen Hammond. 7J, Jace Hilton. 7D, Dylan Harding. 19, Hunter Bowman. 69, Zach Royal. And number 5, KG Foley.
Here we go, as they come around, they're going to be going green.
Got the early lead for 7X. 7X as they go around 2 down the back straightaway. 7X. 7X as it goes through 3, still got a decent lead on.
Going to the front straightaway, 7X. 7D and 19, 1, 2, 3.
Going down the back straightaway at 7X, Dylan Harding.
Hunter Bowman, 1, 2, 3 as they come around into 4 up the front straightaway. 7X extending his lead as he goes through 1. Harding right on him, he's 2. Bowman right behind him, 3. Here comes number 75, Crowley, he's got 4.
Going down the back straightaway, 7X still
a pretty solid lead as he comes through 4. Up the front straightaway is 7X, Harding, Bowman. Harding and Bowman, 2 and 3. Bowman's right on Harding's tail as they go through 1 into 2.
down the back straightaway. Bowman trying to catch Harding for 2.
7X1 as it comes to the front straightaway. You got Harding 2, Bowman 3, Foley 4. We got a race for 2, 3, 4 as they come through 2. We got the caution out here, guys.
Running third now. Bunch them all back up. He's running third, man. All right, buddy, you're fourth. Get up on the wheel.
Here we go, guys. They're coming through 4. We're going to be green here. We got 7X1, Bowman
2, 73. Owen Hammond's number 4, pretty close
races. They go down the back straightaway. 7X1 still is. We got number 19, Bowman right on him. Oh, he's going to make a play. Bowman 1, Foley 2, 7X3 right on him. He got 1, 2, 3 as they go through 2 down the back straightaway. Bowman's 1, Foley 2 right on each other. Foley right on him as they go through 3 into 4. On the last lap, it's Bowman 1, no, Foley 1. Foley 1, Bowman 2, 7X right behind him.
As we come into 2, 2 down the back straightaway, it's Foley 1. Bowman and 7X are right on each other. Bowman 2.
Foley 1, Bowman 2, 7X3 as they come around. Foley's going to be your winner.